How to use Zelle on Cheese app. In order to use Zelle on Cheese mobile app, you just have to sign in to your Zelle to your Cheese banking app firstly. And once you are logged into your Cheese account, you then need to tap onto the PN transfer and then click on send money with Zelle. As soon as you click on send money with Zelle, you want to tap get started, select your account and enter your US mobile number or email as well. Once you type in the following information, you then need to enter the one-time code sent to your device. After you're done entering that as well, tap on the done or send a request money to complete enrollment. Now sending money with Zelle. So basically from the app's home screen, you want to tap on pay and transfer, then click on send money with Zelle once again and select an existing contact or add a new one using the email or US mobile number. Choose the account, enter the amount and add a note if you wish to. And that's how you'll be able to use Zelle on Cheese app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.